Hi everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is the Earth. Earth is the only planet in the universe on which living system is present. It is the only planet on which all the human beings, millions of the plants, animals, organisms and microorganism species can be sustained. And it is possible only because Earth contains air, water and land, which is very necessary for living life. The Earth is the fifth largest planet of the universe and it is situated at number 3 from the Sun. The Earth is made up of a rock which are present from billions of the years. Earth is also consists of a water. Near about 70% portion of the Earth is occupied by the water and remaining 30% portion of the Earth is occupied by the land. Most of the living system is present on the land. The Earth rotates around the Sun and it takes near about 365 days and 6 hours to complete one rotation around the Sun, and we call it at a year. Earth is also, along with rotating around the Sun, the Earth is also revolve around itself and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around itself, and we called it as a day. While rotating around itself, the some part of the Earth faces the Sun while the other part of the Earth is hid from the Sun, and we called it as a day and night. Earth is a home not only for the human beings but also for the millions of the plants, animals and microorganism species. So we must have to protect our Earth. In recent few years, the human activities are badly affecting the Earth. Because of the human activities, there is a huge impact on the Earth. So we must be aware of protecting our Earth. The people, we need to come together to save the Earth for our future generation. Because of the human activities, the Earth is destroying day by day. As we know that the climatic crisis that we are facing today, which are the clear indications that we are destroying our Earth and it is very dangerous. So we must aware the peoples regarding to saving the Earth, and we must protect the Earth for our future generation. The rising temperature and the melting of the snows, it clearly indicates that how human activities are affecting our planet Earth. We consider Earth as our mother, so it is our priority to protect our Earth and to stop the activities which responsible for destroying our Earth. For the civilization and urbanization, we cut the lots of trees and forest, so this causes increase in the temperature and destroying other the living systems and plants on the Earth, which is very dangerous for human being as well as for other plants and animal species. So the other activities that affect the Earth are the use of the plastic. The plastic is the substance which cannot be degraded, so this produces the trash on the Earth and it occupying the space on the Earth, which is very dangerous for the human being as well as for the Earth. So we must come together and aware the people regarding to the importance of the Earth, and we must spread the awareness for saving our Earth for the upcoming generations. So it is our priority. So we must take the preventive measures to protect the Earth. We must stop the cutting of the trees, and we should find out the alternative substances for the plastic, and we must avoid the use of the plastic. Then we must have to use the things which are reusable, and we should stop the use of the things which are present on a limited amount. For example, there are various sources which cannot be renewed, that is non renewable sources. So we must be carefully use the non renewable sources, and we should use the things which are biodegradable and which are not harmful for the Earth. So we must aware the peoples regarding to the these problems, that the climatic crisis that we are facing because of the human activities. So in this way we can save our planet earth. So in this video we have discussed about earth and how human activities affecting the earth. Thank you.